Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to the second session of our unit, which is social linguistics. Nah, in this session, I would like to thank you first for you guys who already posted your ideas in the first session. So yes, thank you so much, and I'm waiting also for your post to your friends' post. So please give comments to your friends so that they know that for example, like have some things that they might not know yet, or they might have a problem in understanding the material. So please help your friends. Okay, so to make a summary for the last topic in the last session, which is about language, society, and social linguistics. So yes, language and society, sorry, language and society have a close relationship, which means that society can affect language and language can affect society. And the science that learn both things about society and language is called sociolinguistics. So sociolinguistics doesn't only pay attention on the grammatical things about language and about the vocabulary only, but then it also pays attention to all the factors in society which makes the language exist among society. So there are so many factors, like so for example here formal organization or institution and society itself. Nah, jadi banyak sekali faktor-faktor yang mempengaruhi penggunaan bahasa di masyarakat kita. So yes, it is about social linguistics. Nah, sekarang di sesi yang kedua ini, we learn about code switching, and then code mixing, and why actually people use code switching and code mixing in their daily life. Nah, untuk mempelajari ini, please open up your PMP first, and then also read some materials in PowerPoint, in the form of PowerPoint in session 2, that will give you like deeper understanding about what code switching is and code mixing. And then you can also watch two videos about code switching and bilingualism and multilingualism. So yes, and there's also a quiz session at the end of session 2, which can help you dig deeper about your understanding on code switching and code mixing. Now, after learning all these materials, please watch that. Learn about types of code switching. Nah, I will attach later in the form of PowerPoint about the explanation of types of code switching. So I will explain it a little bit here. So types of code switching. The first type is intersentential code switching. And the second one is intra-sentential code switching, and the last one is text switching. I will explain it just briefly to you guys. So intersentential code switching is like the switch between language. Nah, tapi masih dalam satu kalimat. Oh no, sorry. For interstitial, it's in different sentence. So you finish one sentence and then you start another sentence in another language. Nah, kemudian ada intra. Kalau intrasentential code switching itu switchingnya masih di dalam satu kalimat. So you just change a word or a phrase in the middle of a language. Jadi misalkan kita lagi berbahasa Inggris and then we forget some words in English, and then we can switch in bahasa Indonesia. So we switch only for like one word or two word or a phrase. Jadi tidak dalam satu kalimat yang berbeda. Kalau jadi yang satu kalimat selesai and then followed by another sentence itu adalah intersentential. Tapi kalau intrasentential, you just insert a word or a phrase in the middle of language. Kemudian text switching itu hanya kayak apa ya? Translating the text. Jadi at the end of the sentence only. So for example here, Wait, let me look for an example. It was a good performance, ya kan? So ya kan is a text switching, which means it was a good performance, wasn't it? Jadi wasn't it aja yang di translate into English. Jadi itu adalah text switching. Jadi ada tiga. Yang pertama adalah intersentensial, kemudian intrasentensial, kemudian text switching. Nah, for the complete explanation, I will attach the PowerPoint that contains the explanation in our session 2 and listening to. Well, thank you so much, guys. If you still have anything unclear about my explanation, please don't hesitate to ask me, okay? Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good luck.